بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Using the role-playing simulator in undergraduate modular system to improve the students' clinical skills by Mohamed Elbadry, FEMAR Fellow 2023, under supervision of Professor Ihab Saud. What is known? Importance of clinical training for undergraduate medical students. Also, lack of proper opportunities in clinical training for undergraduate medical students in many faculties and in some era. What is new? Applying or using the role-playing simulator in undergraduate modular system to improve the students' clinical skills. Our goal to improve the students' clinical skills, increase the students' learning integration, enhancing the staff capacity and competence. Finally, creating students' medical algorithm. Fortunately, all our goals were achieved. First of all, the module staff members and researchers prepared structured case scenarios in collaboration with each others. All involved participants, who are 168 students, were divided to a simulation group 111 and control group 57. The simulation group only participated in a role play focused on gastrointestinal tract cases. Pre and post activity questionnaires were done on day one. All participants' performance were assessed during gastrointestinal tract skill lab activity using the mini clinical evaluation examination on day two of the intervention. We compared the mini clinical evaluation examination score between the simulation and the control groups. First year goal to form a project teamwork, getting the approval of IRB for the study, creating different case scenarios, creating students-made algorithms, building up students-made video records. The project launched October 2023. Many lessons learned from this project, as importance of the continuous course evaluation, assessment, and updating contents, the importance and power of teamwork. Role-playing simulator in undergraduate modular system is a good tool for improving the students' clinical skills. This graph shows the student percentage in two study groups who answered with yes for each question in the pre-activity questionnaire. This shows the students' percentage in the simulation group for each question in the post-activity questionnaire. Finally, this graph shows the student percentage in these two study groups who were motivated, improved in the pre-activity questionnaire. Positive feedback for the first role-playing simulation from Incorporated Students Program Director and the course moderator give us a push for to continue this work. Our challenge is was setting up the collaboration between the researchers and the module staff, designing attractive contents, active participation of students, the believability of simulation environment. What is next? To continue second, third rounds and for different modules, modify contents based on assessment and feedback, applying role-playing simulation on the basic science modules, comparing the results of applying role-playing simulation on the basic science versus the clinical modules. We deeply acknowledge Professor Ihab Saud, FEMAR advisor, Ahmed Tawheed Muwafi, Hamdi Sayyid Hamdi Ghanem, our colleagues in Endemic Medicine Department, Helwan University, Dr. Noha Hamdi Tawil, a medical molecular genetic researchers in National Research Center, and finally, our Dean of Faculty of Medicine, Helwan University, Professor Dr. Rasha Omar Rifai. Thank you very much.